I have always wanted to make an Oreo cake, and today is the day. As you can see, the final product was amazing, and I can't wait to try another version. So on to our ingredients. We are now preparing the ingredients, and we used 6 pieces of Oreo, 2 cups of flour, that is all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch or corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of salt or just a pinch, a 1/4 cup of margarine. You can use butter or vegetable oil or even olive oil. Then we used a 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, of course vanilla essence, a pinch, and we also used 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. final product of our Oreo cake. You can see there's some whatever's here. Yeah, so I would say it came out very nice. I don't like chocolate, but this one is nice. Let me taste for you again, because I did on off camera. So it's this one is really nice. To be honest, I just did a random thing. So if you have another version, I would still want to try. Hmm. It's spot on. Spot on. Hmm. 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 I'm even enjoying it dry, and it's still nice. Yeah, so that's how it looks like on the inside. So it did not disappoint.